After making a lot of changes on X since last year, Elon Musk has rolled out its standalone app for messaging, XChat. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. The XChat app is for accessing X's messages feature and is available to download now for iOS. X first suggested it will be stripping direct messaging from X in 2025, but at least for now, XChat's available in the original X app, the web, and this new app. Based on its launch video, the new XChat app offers many elements of modern messaging to its chats feature, like the ability to delete and edit messages, block screenshots, and send disappearing messages. The new XChat app also supports video and audio calls, and all messages sent with XChat are end-to-end encrypted. XChat will also be expected to be the home of any groups that formed around X's communities feature. The social platform recently announced that it was retiring communities at the end of May and suggested that XChat's support for larger group chats could be the best alternative for that. XChat's group chats can currently have 350 participants, but X plans to expand that number in the future. Elon Musk's original pitch after he rebranded Twitter as X was to turn the platform into an everything app, where things like an algorithmic feed, messaging, job boards, and even payments could exist side by side. Now, launching a standalone messaging app seems like the exact opposite of that, but it might also reflect where X finds itself in 2026. The company is now a subsidiary of XAI, and XAI itself is a part of SpaceX. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.